Hey guys, so we've got this topic of chromosomes that we are extending on from the last few videos that I've watched. And I'm going to start off by just addressing these points here. So we have 46 chromosomes in our body. So the 46 chromosomes are found in all of our cells. In all cells. Except the except the germ cells, which are our reproductive cells. So the 46 chromosomes are found in all of our bodies except for the germ cells. And the germ cells are just the sperms in males and eggs in females. So there are 46 sets except for here. And just a quick question. How many chromosomes do we have in our sperm cells and our egg cells? I'll stop the video for a moment. You guys can answer it. So that's right. So we have 23 chromosomes in the sperms and 23 in the eggs. So coming back to the first instant of your life, this is how it works. So this is probably called the paternal cell, and this is the maternal cell. The paternal chromosomes are found in here. Has anybody heard of the word, paternity leave for a male, and then you have maternity leave for a female? So the paternity leave comes from the word father. Maternity or maternal means mother. So the paternal chromosomes are found in the sperm, and the maternal chromosomes are found in the female. Together they come to the chromosomes then match together to make the 46 chromosomes that we have in our bodies. And the 46 chromosomes that we have in our bodies are now called somatic cells. Somatic cells, and these are all of the cells in our body. So all the chromosomes from your mum and dad come together, then they turn into all the different types of somatic cells, and they all originate from this cell called a zygote. Okay. So egg plus sperm, and all the information inside that equals a zygote. And then the zygote then originates and then forms all the somatic cells through processes called cell specialization and cell differentiation. Now coming back to this 2N, this is called a diploid. Okay, diploid means two, di means two, and numbers of chromosomes, so two pairs of chromosomes. That's what diploid means. Some organisms have things called polyploidy. So if we look at humans have one from mum, one from dad. Okay, so one is maternal, one is paternal. But then you have strawberries. Strawberries have 8 sets of chromosomes. Oh, sorry, 4 sets. Oh, my bad. 4 pairs. So 4 pairs, and they have 8 sets of chromosomes. And so if this is diploid, if you have 8 there, what do you think it will be called? That's right, it is called octoploid. So octoploidy. And some organisms have 4. 4 would mean tetraploidy. And this will be tetraploid. So all of these together are called polyploidy. Okay? So now that we know what polyploidy means, one set of chromosomes, or not one set, one chromosome by itself is called a haploid chromosome. Okay? It's alone. It doesn't have any partner. Like we get our cells, so we get our chromosomes, one from the mother and then one from the father, and then we are diploid. Okay? But if it's the egg cell by itself with the chromosomes inside there, it is a haploid cell. Okay? Because there's only one set of chromosomes. Now, we already know that egg cells, gametes are another word for germ cells. So the eggs and the sperm. And then you've got 23 chromosomes. There are 23 chromosomes in your gametes, in the eggs and the sperm. We've already been through that. And then when they pair together, they make something called a homologous pair. So homologous pairs are pretty much one chromosome from mother, one from your father. So this is maternal and this is paternal. And together, this is called a homologous pair. So mum, dad, this is diploid. And this is found in all of our cells. Those cells are called somatic cells. I'm reiterating some points. And then you have the homologous pairs, and there are 46 sets of these in each cell. Okay. Now, one other important point is 46. The 46 chromosomes that we have in our body. Out of those 46 chromosomes, we have two sex chromosomes. It could be XX or XY. XX is a female and XY is a male. So, question is, if we have two of those chromosomes out of the 46 that determine if you're a man or a woman, or a male or a female, so we have 46 minus 2, which equals 44. The rest of these chromosomes are called autosomal chromosomes. And these chromosomes are that are responsible for all your characteristics and all your traits and functions of the cells in your body. Okay, so they have a lot of different genes on them. They can code for your eyebrow shapes. They can code for your blood shape. They can code for your height. They can code for any characteristic in your body. But it's interesting to know that the X chromosome, there was a man called Thomas Hunt Morgan, which we'll learn more about in biology in year 12. Thomas Hunt Morgan actually found out that X chromosomes carry traits on them as well. Not so much the Y. Okay, Y-linked traits are very rare or very minimal compared to X. So you can have eye color on your X chromosome. And that is one of the things that Thomas Hunt Morgan found in his studies. He actually worked on fruit flies. The fruit flies he bred were red-eyed and then white-eyed, and then we'll learn more about that later on. And then he found out that there was traits carried on those genes, mainly on the X chromosome. Okay, so that concludes our next segment on chromosomes. Thank you.